welcome back to Renee G TV. Today I thought I'd show you another way I use my canned food. Had a lot of you guys ask me what recipes, how I use it. I can quite a bit, but it doesn't really do any good if you're not using it. So I actually have a playlist on my channel if you'd like to see that. I'll include that link. Just to different recipes on how we use our canned food. So today, you can see this is pretty easy. I have my noodles, I have a quart of spaghetti sauce, and a pint of our meatballs. And I show you how to do the meatballs on my channel. So if you don't know how to do that, definitely go check that out. I want to let you know that the texture of these are awesome. My whole family loves this, and it's very quick and easy. When you're in a rush, you have somewhere to go later on in the evening, you just pull out some jars and your dinner just needs to be heated. So come over to the stove with me and we'll get this started. Okay guys, I just drained off the beef broth that was in our meatballs. I have less than a tablespoon of fat in there. We're gonna leave that in our pan. And then we're going to go ahead and add our spaghetti sauce, and we're gonna let this simmer on the stove for about 20 minutes or so. Now again, I just used a pint of our meatballs, but you can use a quart or 2 pints or whatever you have. And then we're just going to pour our sauce in. And again, we're just gonna stir this and let this simmer about 15-20 minutes. Okay guys, we're back at the stove. I went ahead and added a second pint of meatballs to our sauce. We're gonna cover this and let it simmer about 20 minutes. So I lost some footage, but we did have a few leftovers. So I wanted to show you what it looked like all completed. Family loves this, so give it a try guys. It's very simple and easy to do when you have your sauce and your meatballs already made. So leave me a comment down below, let me know you were here. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.